Hey guys, welcome back to another episode. In this video, I'm going to show you the ways to set up Touch ID or Face ID for the MBNA mobile banking app. So for that case, you have to make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the instruction as guided. Now, setting up the Touch ID or Face ID for MBNA mobile app provides an additional layer of security and conveniences for accessing your account. Here's how you can do it. First, make sure that your device supports Face ID or Touch ID. First thing, you need to first of all go to login into your MBNA mobile banking app. So open up the application and click on the login button. So for that, you'll need to use your username and then the password. Once you're logged into your account, that's going to take you to the home page, and from the home page you'll need to go ahead and look for the option that says settings or preferences section within the app. It's typically represented by the gear icon or labeled settings. And when you've located that, within the settings menu, you should find an option related to biometric authentication or security settings. And when you press on it, this is something how it's going to look like. So here, what you'll have to do is you need to toggle the button or toggle the switch to enable Touch or Face ID authentication for the MBNA mobile app. You may be prompted to authenticate your identity using your device's Touch ID or Face ID sensor. You could go ahead and follow the on-screen instruction to do so. And once enabled, you should receive a confirmation message indicating that the Touch ID or the Face ID authentication has been successfully set up for MBNA mobile app. Now you could go ahead and exit the settings menu and try toggling in the app again, and you should now have the option to use Touch ID or Face ID accessing your MBNA account. So that's it for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.